extreme hazards. Seas building 6 to 8 feet with west winds to 20 knots. The approximate location of the west wall of the Gulf Stream based on satellite data. 51 nautical miles east of Ponce Inlet. 33 nautical miles east of Port Canaveral. 28 nautical miles east of Sebastian Inlet. 23 nautical miles east of Fort Pierce Inlet. 15 nautical miles east of St. Lucie Inlet.
My cup runs full of stories since the days of my birth. I hope you have a kind ear for the ballads of the earth. Packed my bags late one night, nothing left to say. Jumping through my window, said goodbye to Mobile Bay. Calling in ship to shore, wave as I pass by. I don't have a home port for fear that I'll run dry. Trust me, for my soul is rich, my pocket's very poor. Catch the Gulf Stream calling, calling in ship to shore. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. Jumping through my window, calling in ship to shore. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. Mother Ocean called my name, freed me under sail. Know I'd like to visit soon, desire never fails. Traveled all this world so far, found stories for me to tell. Winds are blowing and I miss you all, letters written, never mailed. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. Jumping through my window, calling in ship to shore. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. May seem way out of touch, like a stowaway rarely seen. I think of all of my island friends and the pleasures that they bring. Like a firefly on a lighthouse, I was never here, never gone, sharing some of my deepest thoughts, like stories in a song. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. Jumping through my window, calling in ship to shore. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore. Close your eyes and I'll be there, calling in ship to shore.